Hello everyone, welcome back to Math Hands-On with Python, and today I'm going to share with you the nice way of employing Python in solving system of ODEs for disease modeling problems, formerly known as epidemiological modeling. And this comes due to the ongoing pandemic. So most of research is now conducted on COVID-19 pandemic. They rely mostly on system of differential equation. So I'm going to demonstrate this using a simple SAR model. So like MATLAB, the Python can employ a system of two files, where the first file you write your model equation, and the second file you call the model equation into the second file, and you run it. So I have two files. The first one is the SAR model, and the second one is the model run. These two files are the files which I'm going to use, and I saved these two files in the same folder so that when you call it, it will be easily recognized and import everything into the second file. So in the first file, which is the SAR model, we are going to define the model equations together with the parameter. So we have definition of our parameter, and I have two parameter, alpha and beta, and these are the definition for the vector variable y, which will comprise the si and r, and then we have the derivative for the si and r. You write your model as you have written. So for mine, you can see here on your right. So after that, it should return the equations. For mine, I have three equations, and this is s dot, I dot, and r dot. Then initiate or give the value for the parameter, and then create or define the parameter vector according to the parameter which you have. So after that, you will be done. Then go to the second file, import everything from the first file, like you can see in this function here. So I called everything from the SAR model to this file, and then I have other libraries which I'm going to use, like ODEInt, which will be used to solve the system of differential equations from the first file. And the PLT is for plotting. So you give the initial condition for the SI and R, then the time range for your simulation. So then you solve the equations from the first file with the initial conditions and the time steps. So after that, you are ready to simulate by observing your results from the graphs. I will have one graph for all the three variables, and the second graph is just for selected two graphs, which is the graph for the infected and the recovery. So let's run this and see the output. So these are outputs obtained after running this model or the SAR model from the second file. So you can see we have the first graph, this one, which is the graph of the all three variables, the susceptible, infected, and the recovered. And the second graph is only for infected and the recovery group. So this is how you can employ Python in solving your system of ODE, especially when you are dealing with epidemiological modeling or the disease modeling. So until next time, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share this video. Goodbye.